Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe, and I so that hope you are keeping yourself fit and healthy, and you have to do that. So take good care of yourself and your parents also. Okay? Now I hope you all have utilized your holidays in a better way. You have done your homework very well, and by your own you have completed your copy notes also. If not students, so kindly complete your copy notes. The teachers which you have provided you the notes of different subject, so collect them and complete your copy notes. Okay, now let us start our today's class. In today's class we are going to start not a new chapter, but the previous chapter we will continue, as we have not completed that chapter. So let us continue our previous chapter, and that was chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 we were doing in our class simple addition and subtraction. As addition part we have completed. Now today we will move on review of subtraction. Okay, subtraction means when we are subtracting any two numbers. Okay, that is subtraction of two number, and the sign is used this. Okay, this is the subtraction sign. Now kindly open page number 35, and I am going to read some properties of subtraction, so you have to keep those properties in your mind. First one is number minus 0 equal to same number. It means that whenever you are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. As nothing is there to subtract, the number will be the same number will be the answer. As you can see in the example also, 0 subtracted from 7. As nothing is there to subtract, so the same number will be the answer. So number minus 0 equal to same number. Now number minus same number. Whenever you are subtracting the number with the same number, the answer will be always 0. Now whether the number of 1 digit, 2 digit or 3 digit, if you are subtracting the same number, the number with the same number, the answer is always 0. Okay, and when you are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer is same number. And here when you are subtracting the number with same number, the answer is 0. So these two properties you have to keep in mind while when you are doing your subtraction. Okay, now let's move to our exercise. Here it's given simple subtraction. Okay, so let's do simple subtraction. Let's take from here. Now it's 54. This is subtraction sign minus 32. Okay, now always start from ones place. When the below number is smaller and the upper number is big, the number will be easily subtracted. Okay, as you can see, 2 from 4. Now you have to take 2 from 4, it will be easily subtracted as 4 is big number and 2 is small number. So you can do it by drawing lines also, or you can do it on your fingers. So let's do by drawing lines. How many lines we have to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many you have to subtract? 2. So just cut 2 lines from these 4 lines. 1, 2. Now count the remaining ones. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Now 3 from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now subtract this 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. So this is your answer. Okay. 68. 23 from 68. Okay. Now 3 from 8. It would be easy because 3 is small number and 8 is big number. So let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many we have to subtract? 3. So just cut 3 lines from these 8 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now for 2 from 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now subtract this 2 from this 6. 1, 2. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let's do of 3 digit. 635 subtract 532. Okay. Now 2 from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2, subtract 2 from this given 5 lines or cut 2 lines. 1, 2. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3. So here 3. Now 3 from 3. As we have studied in our properties, whenever you are subtracting the number with the same number, the answer is always 0. Okay. Now 5 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now subtract this 5 from this 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the remaining ones. 1. So your answer is 103. Okay. Let's do one more. 868 subtract 323. Now again 3 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 lines are there. How many you have to subtract? 3. So just cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now 2 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract this 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4. Now 3 from 8, again this we have already done 3 from 8, it's 5. So answer is 545. Okay. Same you have to do here in the 4a, it's of 4 digit. Okay, let's do one from 4 digit. Let's do this one. Do these sums in your notebook. Students, you can perform here only in your book itself. Okay, let's arrange them in column. It's 2468 minus 1234. Now first we have to arrange this in column. Okay, so let's do 2468. To arrange them in a proper way and in a better way, always start the number from ones place. Okay, as the number is 1234. So start from ones place. 4, it will be below ones place. 3, it will be below tens place. 2, it will be below hundreds place. And 1 will be below thousands place. Now do the subtraction. Now you can see easily it is arranged and in a proper way. Now 4 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now subtract this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 3 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Now 2 from 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we have to subtract, not to add. 4. 2 from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now subtract 2. 1, 2. Count the remaining ones. 2. So here 2. 1 from 2, it's 1. So here is your answer. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Now let's do one more. Let's do 9507 minus 4203. Okay. Now first we have to arrange them in column. So 9507. Start from ones place. Start writing from the ones place. So your number will be arranged in a proper way. So 3, 0, 2 and 4. See. Now do the subtraction. 3 from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now subtract this 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 0 from 0. Obviously the answer will be 0. 2 from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Count the remaining one. It's 3. Now 4 from 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now subtract 4 from this 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5304. So in the same way you have to do the given subtractions. Okay. Now here comes exercise 4F and here it is word problem. Okay. As I told, you have to do the word problems with proper statement. Okay. Now this 4 we will do here and the notes I will provide you. The remaining ones you have to practice. You have to make the word statements and do it. Okay. Now let's see the first one. Pay attention, I am going to read. Simi's mother is 31 years old. Her grandmother is 58 years old. What is the difference in age between them? Now what we have to do here, we have to find out the difference in age. Simi's mother and grandmother's age is given there. We have to find out the difference. As I told, difference means you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so let's make the statement first. Whose age is given there? Mother's age is given there. So first we will write mother's age, that is, so for grandmother's age, okay, grandmother's age, it is 58, and mother's age, mother's age is 31. Now to find out the difference, what you have to do, you have to subtract the given numbers. Okay, so 1 from 8, 7, 3 from 5, it's 2. So the answer is, the difference in age is 27 years. So in this way you have to make the proper statement. Okay, now here comes second. On Sunday, 57 children took the toy train ride at a park. On Monday, 25 less children took the ride. How many took the ride on Monday? Now here we have to find out how many children took ride on Monday. Okay, so for that first we have to see how many children took ride on Sunday. So number, as I told you, has this all I already have told you this, NO is the short form of number. Okay, number, it is the short form of N, capital N, small 0, small o, and 1 dot. Okay, so this is the short form of number. Number of children on Sunday, it was 57, and number of children on Monday, 25 less children, na? So now what you have to do, you have to subtract these numbers. So 5 from 7, it's 2, 2 from 5, 3. So the answer is 32 children took ride on Monday. Okay, so 32 children took ride on Monday. As you can see, on Monday 25 less children took the ride. Means total children are 57, and on Monday 25 less children took the ride. So we have to find out actually how many children took ride on Monday. So that is 32. Now here comes number 3. India scored 124 runs more than Sri Lanka. If India scored 358 runs, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? So for this what we have to write first, total score. Okay, what is the total score? It is 358. Okay, total score is 358, and India scored more than, how many runs more than Sri Lanka? It's 124. Okay, now you have to subtract this number from the total score. Okay, so just put the minus sign. Now 4 from 8, as I told, you can do by drawing the lines, or you can do it with your fingers also. So for this, let's take out 8 fingers first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many you have to subtract? 4. So take out your 4 fingers. Yeah, put your 4 fingers down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Now 2 from 5. Take your 5 fingers. Now put your 2 fingers down, as you have to subtract 2 from 5. So 1, 2. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Now 1 from 3. This is your 3 finger. Now put 1, as you have to subtract 1. So 1. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2. 2. So the answer is 234. So the answer which you got is, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? So Sri Lanka score 234 runs. Okay, so this is the answer. Now next one is, of the 956 students in a school, 523 play football. How many do not play football? Now we have to find out how many students, a number of students do not play football. So for this, first of all, total students it's 956. Okay, and number of students play football, number of students play football, that is 523. Now again what you have to do, you have to subtract this number of students from the total number of students. Okay, so 3 from 6, take your 6 fingers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how many you have to subtract? 3. So just put your 3 fingers down, 1 2 3. Count the remaining ones, 1 2 3. So the answer is 3. 2 from 5, again 3. Now 5 from 9, what you have to do? Take your 9 fingers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now you have to subtract 5. So what you have to do? Put your 5 fingers down, 1 2 3 4 5. Now count the remaining ones, 1 2 3 4. So the answer is 433. 433 students do not play football. Okay, so in this way you have to practice the remaining word problems. Okay, you have to practice, students, with proper statement. This the notes I will provide. In this way you have to complete chapter 4, review of subtraction, exercise 4E and 4F. Okay, copy notes I will provide. Now here comes your next chapter, that is addition with carrying. Okay, now here you have to, simple addition we have studied. Now you have to do the addition with carryover. Okay, this is also very simple, as the number is taken as carryover. So let's do one, chapter 5. Okay, addition with carryover. Let's take 28 plus 37. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to add 28 plus 37. Now it is addition. Till now we were doing simple addition. Now here first let us add 8 plus 7. As I told you, always move from big number to small number. Okay, so let's move from 8 and do the forward counting and add 7. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now the answer you got is 15 and it is in 2 digit. Okay, this 2 digit number is not the correct way to write here. Okay, so what we have to do now? The number which is on your right side will be written below the ones number, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carryover on the side number or the next number. Now you have to add this carryover number along with the given numbers, that is 2 and 3, and you have to add this one along this 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, in this way. Okay, let's do one more. 328 plus 33. Okay, now 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, you got the answer in 2 digit. So 1 will be here below the ones place, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carryover on the side number or the next number. Now you have to add this 1 along the given numbers. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 and 3. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Let's do one more. 128 plus 128. Now 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The number you got 16. The answer means the number is in 2 digit. Again, what you have to do? The number which is on right side will be written below ones, place, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carryover on the side number or the next number. Now 2 plus 2, it's 4 plus 5, and 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so in this way you have to do. So students, it's all addition with carryover. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's do this one. 7,329 plus 538. Okay. Now add 9 plus 8. Start from 9 as 9 is big number and do forward counting and add 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Sorry, 8 we have to add now. So 17. So the answer which we got is 2 digit. So same thing what you have to do. The number which is on right side will be written below ones place number, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carryover on the side number or the next number. Now you have to add this carryover number along with the given numbers. Okay. So 3 plus 2, it's 6. Sorry, 3 plus 2, 5, 3. 4, 5 plus 1, it's 6. 5 plus 3, it's 8, and 7 will be as it is. Okay, in this way you have to do. Let's do one more. 1,322, 1,235, 4,123. Now put the plus sign here. Now here 3 digits you have to add. So start from big number 5, add 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, add 2, 9, 10. Again the number is in 2 digits. So 0 here, and the left side number will be carry over on the next number or side number. Now with this 3 digit you have to add this carry over also. So 3 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 4, 5, 6. So this is your 4, 5, 6. This is your answer. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the addition. It's all addition. So till exercise 5C, 5B. Till 5B you have to complete your book notes. Okay. It's all addition with carrying. So here till 5B. Till 5 exercise 5B you have to complete your book notes. Okay. That's all for today's class. Thank you.